Hi, and welcome to this Kegel exercises workout for men who are beginners. My name's Michelle and I'm a consulting physiotherapist. And today I'm guiding you through a beginner's workout for Kegel exercises. Now we're doing our workout in sitting today, so I'd like you to find a spot on a chair, preferably a higher chair so that your bottom is level with your knees or a little bit higher. You don't want to be sitting in a low lounge for these exercises. Now the chair is a great convenient position for doing your exercises. So this is going to help you, remind you to do your exercises during the course of the day. The chair also gives you wonderful feedback in the area in and around your pelvic floor muscles. So we're going to get started. What I'd like you to do is to sit forward away from the back of the chair. Very important that you're not leaning back and slumping like that. So sit forward away from the back of the chair, your feet are flat, your knees are slightly apart. Lengthen through your spine, so you need to sit tall and keep the inward curve in your lower back throughout these exercises. Now, I'd like you to feel your sitting bones. So feel where you're sitting and maybe rock side to side slightly. Now, you can feel the area between the sitting bones. You can feel the anal area. And if you move forward from that, you can feel behind the testes. And we're going to feel that area tightening like this with your exercises. Now, if you're not sure about how to do the correct technique, you can check my Kegel exercises for beginners workout above. I don't want to spend too much time going through that today. But remembering the key technique is to tighten as if you're stopping the flow of urine, and also to shorten the penis. And that means drawing it in towards you and then letting it go. So if you're not sure how to do that, you can actually apply some traction to the end of the penis and draw in against it and relax to start out, just to make sure you're doing the right technique. So let's get started. We're going to do two types of exercises. We're doing long endurance holds. These are really important for erectile dysfunction and also for bladder control. And we're also going to do some short power Kegel exercises. Now, take it gently for starters, remembering that you're a beginner. There's plenty of time to work towards strength in the future, and I'll be linking you to a strength exercise routine at the end of this video. So let's start. I'd like you to take a breath in and breath out where you are. We're starting with a long Kegel exercise. Now, see if you can tighten that area that we were talking about. In and around behind the scrotum, see if you can shorten the penis, draw it inwards, and also to contract as if you're stopping the flow. Keep breathing, keep holding, keep breathing, and now let go. How did you go with that at home? Not always easy to feel when you're first starting out. Just take your time, remembering to do this exercise gently for starters. We're going for the correct form of the exercise, which is really vital when you start out with these Kegel exercises. Let's do the next one again. I'd like you to try to keep breathing during the exercise if you can, and make sure you keep your buttocks relaxed. So here we go, breathing in. Now as you breathe out, let's tighten, shorten the penis, and contract as if you're stopping the flow. Keep breathing, keep holding, keep tightening. And one more second. And now relax and let go. And have a big breath in and out. Really important that you rest between your exercises, particularly these long exercises, so you're ready to go for your next exercise. So take as much time as you need to recover. We're doing one more of our long Kegel exercises now. So stay with me, breathing in, now breathing out. Now I want you to shorten the penis and tighten as if you're stopping the flow. Keep breathing, come on, you can do this. Keep your buttocks relaxed, keep your belly relaxed, just gentle hold, and now relax the muscles in and around that pelvic floor. Testes descend, penis moves back, and relax completely. Have a big breath in and out. Now, what we're going to do is move on to your power exercises. These are a little bit stronger than your endurance exercises that we just started off with, and these are 1 second holds. So it's a contract, relax, relax. And you can do as many as you like, up to 10. We'll try for 4 to 5 today, just starting out. So again, the same position, nice and tall, inward curve in the lower back, lean yourself forward so you can feel that area of your pelvic floor at the base of your penis, behind your testicles, against the chair. Ready? Okay, let's go. Here we go. Strong, contract and relax. And again, a bit stronger, contract and relax. Keep it going, contract, shorten, tighten, and relax. And again, shorten, tighten, and relax. Let's go for one more. Shorten, tighten, and relax, and let go. And that's it. That's your one round of exercises done. Now you need to do this again another 5 times during the course of the day so that you're doing your 6 lots of exercises. Now remember, when you're starting out, you're just going gently, getting the right form. When you feel really confident with that, you can then progress to doing up to 10 seconds of your long exercises and 10 of your short power exercises as well. So if you'd like to progress those exercises, coming up next is my Kegels exercises video. It's a timed Kegel exercises video workout, and you might like to move on to that now or stay with this beginner's workout until you feel really confident to move on. So I really hope this Kegel exercises workout for beginners helps you get started with your exercises at home. Remembering, sitting's a great position to practice your Kegel exercises in. Thanks so much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye for now.